Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. Today, I know I'm getting on your nerve, but I'm doing the stocking stuffer review and unboxing. And today, we're going to be unboxing this puppy right here. This is the Flow Mini 2 Power Bank. This puppy right now. This is by Sharge. This puppy right now is going for, let me get it, let me make sure you get it right. It's going for $19.99 if you are an Amazon Prime member. If you're not, it's $29.99. I suggest you use somebody to get this $19.90 version, all right? Let me give you some of the details before we get to the Eagle Eye View. The Sharge Flow Mini 2 portable charging with built-in cable, 22.5 watt max power bank for travel, fast charging battery pack with iOS, USB-C connection for iPhone 17, 16, 15, and 14, Galaxy, and Google Pixel and more. And you're talking about this is only going for what? $19.90. So guys, without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. We go, guys. We're in the Eagle Eye View. I might not need a knife for this today. Nope, don't need a knife in there today. This is the silver color. Again, $19.99. Or $19.90, if you remember. This everything. Look here. So let's see. Okay, let's see what we got here. Boom. All right. So we got this, the power bank. We got the book and stuff. Okay, we have it. Okay, I like that. That's nice. All right, we have another thing here. Okay. Oh, we have a, okay, I like that. Okay, so we got that. And that's it. There's nothing else in here. Hold on. Nothing else in here, guys. That's it in the book. So, okay, let's go ahead and this is going to be a quick unboxing. We're going to do a couple of things, and that's going to be it. Stocking stuff for, oh, Jesus. All right. Okay, I like that. All right, you have different ways to, okay, you have different ways to, so this will come off. Okay, that's how that goes. So that comes off. I like that. Okay. And then you can put this one on for if you have the old iPhone. Put it back in there. Okay, I like that, guys. Okay, I like that. So you can kind of switch it off. And then you have this right here. You also have, how do we get you out of there? Okay, we have that. Okay, boom. We have that right here. So we have that. So we have different ways to charge it up. Now, you can't get it out of there. I wish it was a way to get it out of there, but I guess that's how it goes. And let's see how much energy it has. It has right there. So what we're going to do real quick, guys, there's no other buttons on here. This is the only button on here. I like that. So we're going to try both of these styles out. Going to make sure that both of them work. I like how that does that. It's really versatile. Just don't lose this. Keep it in the bag somewhere, or keep it up somewhere so you won't lose that. I'm afraid of losing that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and give it a charge up, and then from there, after that, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can charge up a couple of phones, see how it works, and get to the rest of it. All right, now, what I want you to understand that there's no other input but this. This is an input. This is how you charge it up. So you have to use that wire right there to charge it up. And when you charge it up, you'll see the light flash. Okay. Now, I thought that you were able to, kind of go from this part into the inside, but no, that is only for out. And this one is for in and out. So I want you to, so you won't make that mistake. That one's for out only. This is for in and out. So you could charge and receive a charge from this one here. So you don't have no other, no other, which I see is simplified, but I wish they would have another way of charging, because what if this breaks? Now, I don't like that. What if this breaks? If this breaks, you're kind of messed up, all right? So I'm just letting you know, if that breaks, you're kind of messed up. I wish they'd put one here, or even let this be in and out as well, so you can be able to charge up if this thing right here breaks. And this is a 5,000 milliamp hour, 5,000. So let's see if we can use the fast charging. You can see charging up. So there you go. So what we're going to do, we're going to let it charge up for a little while, and then we're going to get to using it on maybe 2 devices. Make sure it works. Go. All right. Now, this is not really, could you charge up a tablet with this? Most likely you could. Okay. Most likely you could. Let's see. And you see? Yes, you could. Now, is it really made to do that? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Okay, I'm not gonna say it is. You could definitely do it, but really, it's not meant for that. It's meant for phones and smaller gadgets. It's only 5,000 milliamps. All right, guys, 5,000 milliamps. So we're gonna go ahead and push that in there, and as you can see, it's charging. I want to unlock it, but it's charging. So say if you got this charging, you got something like this. Boom. There you go. Got both of these charging up. You can do something like that. You get what I'm saying? Pair it up with something small like that. Don't have this and a tablet right next to it. Don't do that. This is what it's supposed to be. All right, guys. So you see it's charging. Okay. We're going to take this off. And then we're going to do this. Now, take this off. Well, we got to kind of pull this way. We're going to go ahead and put this on. We're going to take this off. We're going to go ahead and see how this works. There it goes. It's coming on. It's coming on. As you can see, it's charging. So we're going to do that one more time. See? Do it one more time. Make sure. There you go. It's charging. You can see up there. It's got that little thunderbolt, so it's charging. Then go ahead and put this on it. So this is what it's for, guys. Something like that. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. You can, kind of, I guess you can kind of get a little closer. You can hold it, you know what I'm saying? Like this a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. So that's how it goes. It works, guys. All right, we're going to get to the regular view. Give my final thoughts and give this puppy a grade. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts and giving the Flow Mini 2 Power Bank a grade. And guys, I'm going to tell you something. I really do like it. I like the fact that it comes with interchangeable type of inputs that you get interchangeable. Now, I wish they would came with like one more, maybe the old school USB Mini. I think that would have been nice, because I still got some things in here that uses that. Not a lot of them, but enough to you won't want that old port around. So I do like it a lot. I would have given it an A. It works. Like I said, it's not really meant for tablets. Can you do? Yes. But it's only 5,000. if you really got to get a report done, so yeah, I get. But it's meant for your phone and an extra device like your AirPods, Bluetooth wireless headset. Yes. But I'm not giving it an A. I'm going to give it a B. And maybe a B minus, because I don't like the fact that it only comes with one way to charge it. And if Murphy Law has told me anything. That anything that can or will happen, it happens. So all it takes is you to break this fall, or somebody, your kid try to snatch your phone and it's in your hand, and you damage this, or over time it gets damaged, then you have no other way to charge up this device. I wish they would at least made this the second, the one that you could take off like this. I wish they'd have made that in and out as well, and that would at least give you another way to charge it if this break. So because I think that was, I would hate to say, Shark, it was a, Surge, sorry, I said Shark, Surge, that was a boneheaded mistake. I believe it was a boneheaded mistake, because you should have another way to charge this, even if it was one on the side or another input, because this can go bad or something can go wrong. And yeah, it's $19, but this is made with such good quality, and I really do like it, that this should last me for a very long time. If this breaks or this, goes bad, and, things do go bad, that I'm gonna have to spend another $24 on this. No, guys. So yes, it does it. It's good. It's a good stocking stuffer. If somebody one of your kids need good stocking stuffer, husband, wife, good stocking stuffer, something to keep in your purse for emergency, good stocking stuffer. But it would have got an A if it would have just added another charging port. Okay, guys. So the Surge Flow Mini 2, wonderful, but it is missing that extra port, so you can charge at least another in port so you can charge it. Hey guys, before we go, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll say that again, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you hit the notification bell that's somewhere on your screen, you'll get notified every time we drop a new video. Once again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with a quick review and unboxing of stocking stuffers. You have a good day, and I have another video coming soon. Peace.